We are very pleased to be joined by Nick Kuzyk from HITI Incorporated. Nick, you and I were just talking off camera. You're a very busy man. You're a spokesperson for HITI. What does that entail?
Well, as Chief Strategy Officer and SVP Capital Markets, I'm one of the officers of the company, and my role includes mergers and acquisitions, investor relations, media relations, government communications, any non-revenue related external communications, along with corporate finance. So, I wear a few hats, keeps me busy, and it's exciting. I get to use my full brain, so it makes it easy to get up in the morning. Yep.
It certainly does. Talk to us about this evolving, emerging industry, the cannabis business. What's your take on it as of today?
Well, I think the pie is big, and it's still very early.
Yeah.
There are a lot of excellent companies on the landscape. HITI has been very busy as an accessories-focused downstream retailer of cannabis and accessories. We've very quickly put a lot of dots on the map. We now have 24 retail stores in total and 2 different brands, Smokers Corner shops and Canna Cabana shops. Some of them sell cannabis. We have some stores opening this coming weekend. There are a lot of online customers through the Grass City business. So basically the short answer is that anything is on the table. The opportunities are endless, and there's a lot of work to be done and a lot of fun to be had. And at conferences like this is a good place to come and get an update about what your peers and partners are up to.
What is it that drew you to this?
I think the business challenge drew me to it. The opportunity to grow something along a consistent strategy and be focused in a way that is customer oriented and vertically integrated. You need a tool to consume cannabis in whatever form, and so the accessories advantage that HITI has was part of the attraction, and our company's plans to grow quickly and open the maximum number of stores in various jurisdictions and grow online and grow through wholesale around the world is very attractive for somebody who is keen to use their full brain, like I said, and make it easy to get up in the morning. So.
An evolving and changing industry on a daily basis. What's next for HITI? What do you see, say, a year from now even?
Wow, well, it's been a wild year already. Like I mentioned off camera, we've done 43 news releases in 53 weeks and 8 transactions and gone public and established ourselves in multiple jurisdictions and gone international through the Grass City deal. And so a year from now, I expect the company will look a lot more different than it does today in a good way. There will be more stores and hopefully more cannabis supply to offer to customers in multiple provinces, potentially coast to coast, and potentially in other countries as well. The accessories business is international and has been our forte for a decade, and I expect that to continue. And it'll be a matter of putting capital to work that we've raised in ways that is accretive and generates a good return for investors and makes shareholders glad that they picked up some shares today, and a year from now hopefully it will be worth a lot more.
Sounds like the future is very bright indeed, Nick. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks, Anthony.
You're very welcome.
It's a pleasure.